gorgeous babes. It's Karen. Guess what I have in front of me that I have had for like a week and have been dying to use. But I've been using my old crusty brushes because I wanted to do a tutorial on this first. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. All right, hi, how are you? Magnetic. Now I opened some of the packaging in these, but I have not played with them yet. Look at all these brushes. This is crazy. The thing I like about this is it's a magnetic case and it comes with so many different brushes, and we're going to go through what each one is and what it does. Now let's see if I can get it in the right order too. Who knows? We'll see. Eye brushes, I don't know. Each brush has on the bottom of it a number, and that number will tell you, I mean, if you look on the Morphe website, because it doesn't come with like a card or anything, it'll tell you what that brush is for. This, ooh, they're so soft. And it'll tell you whether it's synthetic or natural or what. So this brush is the JH03. It's the Ride or Die foundation brush, and it's synthetic. So you would use this obviously to put on your foundation. Let's see what we've got up next. We've got the JH04, which is a blush brush, and it's also synthetic. It is really, really soft. It does feel like it would do a good job, so I am excited. This brush collection was $165. A lot of money. Yes, but if it's worth it, boy, will I be happy. All right, so now we've got the JH05, the Perfect Contour Brush, and it's natural. So this is your natural hair as opposed to synthetic. I'm liking it. It feels like it'll hold a lot of product. The brush that I had gotten, the highlighting brush in that BoxyCharm Luxe, I dislike it on a level you could possibly not understand because it doesn't hold the product. It doesn't, I had to like hold the brush and I'm like trying with it, like holding, squeezing the ends of the brush. No, did not put it on there. The JH02, this is your bronzer brush. Bronzing. That's what it is. Let's see. This has got to be the first one, no? The JH01. Your powder brush. Hello. It's synthetic. The JH02, the bronzer brush, was natural. The contour one was natural. All right, let's see what we've got here. The JH10, Snatch Your Edges brush. So I am guessing you could use this for lots of things. I'm really not sure. I guess I would have to look at her tutorials to figure out what each brush does if she has one on there. But I'm guessing this would sculpt and define a contour, or I don't know. But I know I would find a use for it, that's for sure. Okay, so now we've got the JH06, and this is my everything brush, so I guess she uses this for everything. This is just a brush that she has talked about in her videos that she's used for nose contour, for other stuff. So it is, what is it? The JH06. It's a natural brush. Obviously, the natural brushes are brown in color, and the ones with the white tip are the synthetic brushes. This one is the JH07, and it's the under eye powder brush. Do we really need an under eye powder brush? I mean, it does feel nice, but after I put on concealer and I set it, yeah, I'm guessing this would work. Alright, so I'm guessing why she did that. I get it. Alright. Let's see. What do we have next? The JH08. Anything creamy brush. Ooh, okay, yeah. See how that tip here, how it's flat? So if I were to put this with a cream contour or a cream blush or a cream concealer, it would definitely blend in nicely. Okay, so I'm starting to get it now why she's got all of these brushes. And then we've got all these small brushes. I mean, like, damn. But I'm liking it. This one is definitely a natural brush. I can tell because of the color. JH41. Oh my goodness. All over lid brush. It's a blend of natural and synthetic. Okay. Yeah, I guess it is. So this is your all over lid blending brush. We have got the JH43. This is your eyeliner smudge brush. And if you know Jaclyn Hill, she does not like harsh lines. So she will put gel eyeliner on her waterline, and then she will take some black eyeshadow, usually from her palette, and she'll kind of just smudge it down. And this is the brush she uses for it. Alrighty, let's see what we've got next. Oh, I love these little brushes. Number 42, the Brow Bone Highlight Brush, and it's natural. So we're going to highlight underneath our brow with some pretty highlighter. Could be Jeffree Star, could be Morphe, who knows. Don't know what kind of highlighters you guys use, but I use just about everything. So number 33 is the Universal Blender Brush, and it's natural and it's white. So we can use this for anything. Eyeshadow, transition shade, whatever we want. We've got the number 35. That's the Upper Crease Brush, and it's natural. So that would be up here. Ooh, I do like these. They're soft. I wonder how they're going to be after I wash them, though. Has anyone realized after washing their brushes, they don't always go back to the way that they were? Or maybe is it just what I'm using? Number 31. Fluffy Blender Brush, natural. It is always good to have more than one blending brush, and I did hear someone say when they got the James Charles brush collection that they were happy that he had so many of the same brushes in there. And because, you know, you're mixing colors, and his palette is like so crazy with the colors, you can't use one brush for everything, and you don't want to be constantly washing brushes or going back and forth and using different brushes and all that stuff unless they're clean. All right, so JH09 Glow BB Glow Brush. I'm not really sure what this is for. I'm guessing highlighter since it said glow. Could use it on the nose, could use it on the Cupid's bow. There's lots of things you can do with that one. Ooh, I'm liking this brush here. It's a pencil brush. I can already tell. It's number 40. Precise Blender Brush, and it's natural. So yes, we will be blending. Most likely towards the crease. Or you could even blend underneath the eye with that one too. Absolutely. Like I've said before, you can take these brushes and do different things with them. This is your perfect pencil brush is what she calls it, and it's natural. So you've got the one I just showed you, which I figured was a pencil brush, but then this one's a little bit different. So this one is going to be for fading harsh lines, for sculpting a little bit in that crease area if you wanted it to. All right, let's see what's next. Number 36. I don't like to wear my glasses on camera, so I'm like 36, 36, 36. Eye buffer brush. All right. So smoking out or buffing, is it the same thing here? Because that's pretty much what I'm guessing we would use that for. We're almost done, guys. Okay. The number 30. Beast Mode Blender Brush, Natural Hairs. So this, oh, I could totally see that it would because of the hairs, the sturdiness, and the shape. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm glad I got this collection. I really am. I think I'm going to be liking it a lot. This looks like almost like that pointer brush, or the pencil brush, number 37. Puff Buffer blender brush in natural. All right, so this is a lot. She's all about blending, obviously. Did you see her new blending video? That's what I'm thinking. She's all about it, which she looks great, so she's doing a good job. All right, number 34, carve your crease. Okay, so carve your crease brush. So if I put some color in my crease, this would be the way to get it to blend. But I'm sure it would pack on kind of the color too because of the way the brush looks. This is the last brush that I have, and it is the number 39. It is the inner corner highlight brush. Oh, see, I love this. This is perfect because they actually make a brush. I've never actually had one of these brushes. I've always used something else, so that's badass. I'm liking that a lot. There's a lot of brushes here. It looks like there's 24 of them total, and they come in this case, which granted I'm not going to use the case unless they're all clean and I'm traveling with it because, or I'm just not using them at the moment, because we all do what? We put product on them and then we would end up with a messy case. So I'm gonna put them all back in here. Do you guys have, oh, and it does close very nicely without that packaging. I had an issue when it was all in packaging, and it is heavy, I will say that. I also did get the Jeffree Star sponges, and I've already used them. I do like them a lot. If you haven't seen them, they are pink, and they look like that red Morphe sponge. That's really it. That's all I have for this video. You know, what brush collections have you bought? Have you used Kylie's? I heard that it was super expensive. There was a whole big controversy on that when Jeffree Star did a review on it because he said it was overpriced. However, I'm wondering that the James Charles, I was always buying the little Morphe brush sets and using the ones that I got in Ipsy. So this is the first actual full collection brush set that I've bought. So I'm really, really happy and excited to try this. I can't wait to do a look later today and use these brushes and tell you guys my honest opinion. But it's looking like it's going to work really well. They feel really good. They seem to have the right density. They seem to be able to hold product, not like that flimsy brush, which let me grab real quick. This was the highlighting brush, Moda. There was two, and look how flimsy it is. I went to put on highlight and it did nothing. Like, I really literally had to hold it like this to see if it would work. Yeah, no, garbage. Don't even know what else I would use this for. So it's definitely not for highlight. If you could find another use for it, let me know. Comment below. I mean, besides wiping, you know, dust off the counters, but that to me was just useless. Anyhow, I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was quick, it was to the point pretty much. It was going through the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush collection, and if you do have this collection or another collection that is your favorite, please comment below because I would love to check it out. If you also have a video on it too, let me know because I'm totally into watching them. And I will see you guys in my next video.